Hello, I'm Mr. Skills, and I'm here to teach you about safety in the shop. Welding safety. Make sure you are wearing long sleeves to protect your arms from burns. You should also wear a good pair of gloves and the proper eye protection. After you check and make sure everything is set right, you may begin welding. What fun! Cutting torch safety. Much like welding safety, you wear gloves, long sleeves, and eye protection. With a few adjustments to get the settings just right, you are ready to go. Laugh out loud. And now it is time for some random shots from the shop.
It was not even recording.
What?
It wasn't.
Give me a restart.
Yeah.
What fun.